Okay, here she's getting up.
Oh, who is she? What's
Oh,
she
good
doing?
morning. How are you?
Hello.
Oh, what? Oh,
Got
sorry about
sneeze.
that. Oh,
Every
the
morning
code.
for the last 10 months, Donna has woken up with a sneeze.
Every morning for the last 10 months, Donna has woken up with a sneeze.
Since January the 13th. In July, after 194 days,
Christmas
the
go
away.
world
Yeah,
record.
okay.
She
Yeah,
was 2
okay.
days short
We-
of the
we understand.
300 mark. And her mum made that
Dirty
at least
little girl.
850,000
Dirty little girl.
sneezes
Dirty
so
little,
far.
dirty little, dirty little
Well, I
girl.
think we've tried
Oh,
just about
who's your man?
everything.
That's
She's
Naughty
had
Holder
variety
from
of
Slade.
homeopathic pills,
Oh.
ordinary pills,
Yeah,
sprays,
he's her mom.
injections.
Oh, she's having
She's had
pills
at
and
least
pills
4
and
different
injections.
holidays
Oh,
from Bournemouth
you're
to
speaking my
Holland,
language,
South
man.
Wales to North Wales, and we're all still in
The
the same
four
position
corners
we
of
were.
Wales.
I give her a kiss.
Oh, shut up.
So
I love
Donna,
you.
how does it feel
I love you, Naughty
every
Holder
morning
lady.
knowing that you're going to spend all day sneezing?
Well, I got used to it really.
Well, you have to.
I got used to it really.
She'd have to.
I
She'd
was
the whole
about
time. You'd have to.
I told you about that. I told you about that.
Imagine if she farted every time.
I
just got used to it. I just got used to it.
It wouldn't be acceptable, man.
It's got to stop sometime.
No,
No,
you
it
say that
doesn't,
now.
you sneezing slut.
Yeah, dirty, dirty sneezer,
Achoo!
sneezer bitch.
Oh, what? Oh.